So today I will be working on sanding the engine bay, getting it ready for a repaint. So when we did it the first time, we didn't plan on going this crazy. We painted it with the engine still in the car. Obviously it looks shit, so with how good the engine's going to look, sandblasted and painted and beautiful, it would be a shame to put it in kind of half done engine bay. So today I'm learning how to sand. I don't think I've ever sanded something properly like this before. I've sanded a few little things maybe, but yeah, this will be fun. Grounds is working on this fender here, just getting those final high points and low points filled in. It's looking really good. That line that just goes all the way down the center of the car, slowly kind of dipping down as it gets further and further towards the front. This line is going to be mental. So this is how it looks, kind of close to final fitment, and with the side skirt mounted up. We're going to have two very small like Allen key screws that hold the side skirt in, so we need to be able to take the bottom panels of this car fairly easily. And I think with just how crazy wide and low and everything it'll be, might have to get a full air setup for it, you know, for the safety of the body kit, but it's gonna look mint.
You do, cause we all crew. Just try me if you think I'm bullshit.
Look at this. The brother finally decides to stand up like a man and throw down. It's over. Everything starts from now. We all go down unless we stay together. Ain't no one man above the crew, you know that shit.
So we pretty much finished sanding the engine bay, as you can see. Still a little bit more to go, but it's looking really good. Getting close to painting, and Grant has finished the other side of the car, so we're about to primer that, and then pretty much the entire car will be in primer, basically ready for paint, which is going to be amazing. We still got to do the boot lid and the spoiler and the rear bumper, and we need to order a new front bumper. Exciting, it's coming along. Yeah, let's primer this shit.
I guess your people are gonna be able to, well, your people,
Your
you know,
people.
the old internet. Yeah, getting some white primer on today, so we'll get to see what that rear guard looks like, because fuck, it's taken forever. And as you know, I don't know if who else is watching this shit, bro, but here in New Zealand it's very much winter right now. So body filler doesn't like to dry, neither does anything else in winter, so it's slow going. Anyway, let's hurry up then on that note.
Crazy, man.
This side, like we were talking just before, even though this side is white and in primer now, it's slightly different to the other side, in that this is just the first time it's in one color, right? So now we get to see, and we'll check for any, I'll block it again to how would you describe that? Maybe iron out the last of the final wrinkles and, you know, dimples and stuff like that. Even though, but this guard, what? Yep, fiberglass. And then I'll block the door, straighten out, do any of the swage lines. Like if you come down here, I'll show you. You know, you saw what it looked like before. This was like fucking body fuller camera, right? So now that it's all one color, you get to see different things like small details, you know, that may have been missed. Even shapes and you know, just shit you couldn't see when it wasn't one color. Now that it is one color, I'll guide coat it again, block it down, and then I'll put a thinner coat of primer on, which is how it will end up looking like the other side. Alright, do you want the fuel flap level or like that?
I honestly don't mind it, eh?
Now's the time. See, now that it's in one color,
Yeah.
it's not.
I honestly don't mind it. It's kind of interesting.
Yeah.
Like,
It fits in with the other. It's the same type of step
yeah.
design language, let's just say.
Yeah, I can just keep it like that, eh?
Yeah. And then you were busy here. The engine bay.
Rate my sanding, G.
Fuck.
Surely a 6 out of 10.
At least. Yeah, so you've had the user experience of, you know, DIY. Get in and fucking get in there. Engine bay sanded. Next, don't know when next, but next, you know, is in to do. Obviously, tear the rest of the stuff out. Pine it. Put it all back. I'm not gonna do the bumpers just yet. I'm gonna do the boot lid. Thinking about. So obviously the boot lids are even a step further back than what we just looked at there. This one I gotta do. Fuck, well, okay. Where's the rubbers first? So I'm gonna put the rubber in. Okay. We're gonna set the thing. See, there's no tension on the boot lid at the moment. There's no rubber pushing up, etc., etc. Just, you know, a little bit of physics happening there. Put that in, and then what I want to do, see this side, it's level, and then the side it ain't. Okay, now they actually don't sit level, and I'm not looking to have it sit level, but what I wanted to do is have an even step down on both sides. Make sense? And then this face here will be level on both sides, and this swage over here, I'm going to sharpen this up as well. It's not going to meet this one, it's going to step down a little bit, and then it'll be the same. See how this radius is like fucking all the way out here, bro, and then this one, it's just like quick little 2024 shape.
Mate.
No sign. I want to do the same work on the spoiler, but before I get there, that's just being added on. I want to get this thing sorted out and make sure that, you know, when it's all painted, we don't have fucking level on this side and then need a 3-step ladder on that side. So I'll first get that set, then the wing on, and then do the same swaging, because there is still some gap work that we've got to do on the inside here. You saw there's only like, you know, between the inside of the, you can't put your hand through there, and that feels a bit risky. Short story. I'm saying.